Ustrasana. Ustra is a Sanskrit word which means camel in English. In this asana, the posture of your body becomes like the hump on the camel's back. To do this asana, you have to first sit in the Vajrasana pose. Place the hands on the knees, keeping the body in a straight line from the head to the feet. Now we will slowly go to Ardha Ustrasana pose from the Vajrasana pose. To do this, first slowly stand straight on your knees. Now, place both your hands on the hips with your fingers pointing to the ground. Take care that your elbow and shoulder are parallel to each other, and your thighs are at an angle of 90 degrees to the ground. While breathing in slowly, bend backwards from the base of your spine. Bend the head backwards to the point till it stretches your neck muscles. This asana is called Ardha Ustrasana. Now we will move from Ardha Ustrasana to Ustrasana, for which you will have to slowly exhale and catch your right heel with your right hand and your left heel with your left hand. Take care that you do not jerk your neck while bending back. Breathing in and out normally, stay still in this posture for about 10 to 30 seconds. Ustrasana strengthens the muscles of your back and neck. This asana improves the blood circulation in your head and chest. Performing this asana also improves your eyesight. It helps in reducing the fat on your stomach and hips. Refrain from doing this asana if you are suffering from hernia, vertigo, or arthritis. Patients suffering from heart diseases and high blood pressure should refrain from doing this asana. If you have a stomach injury or if you are pregnant, refrain from doing this asana. Stay in this posture for about 10 to 30 seconds. While taking a long, deep breath in, slowly lift your neck to the normal position. Straighten your back and come back to sitting on your heels in the Vajrasana pose. Breathing in and out normally, stay still in this posture. Practicing Ustrasana regularly will rid you of constipation, which is also responsible for many other ailments in your body, which in turn will help you to lead a healthier life.